All right, so let's look at how to change your password on WHM. WHM, how to change password on WHM. So for those of you who don't know, WHM is a web host manager. WHM helps you manage different cPanels. Inside the WHM, you can have up to, let me log in, you can have up to hundreds of cPanels. With a WHM, you can be able to create multiple cPanels. These are cPanels accounts on my WHM. So let's look at it. WHM is a comprehensive cPanel related administrative interface that allows users to manage web hosting servers, resellers, accounts, and including personal cPanels without needing to use command line interface. So it helps you to manage web hosting resellers account. So that is what the WHM is. So this is one here. These are the features you have in WHM. You can see them. Okay, let me see whether we can take it one by one. But first, let's go straight to business. How to change password on WHM. So I sign out. So this is my WHM. Let me sign out. Okay, so after signing out, the WHM has its own cPanel interface. So you cannot change your WHM password on the WHM login. You have to change the WHM password on its own cPanel. If I click here, I don't see any option to change password. You get that? So I'll sign out and go to my WHM cPanel. So this is my WHM cPanel. So I log in into my WHM cPanel and I simply, for you to know I'm actually logged into my WHM cPanel, look at the primary domain. From the primary domain, I can be able to access all other cPanels here. So that's to tell you I'm logged into my WHM cPanel. So you click on this user menu here, then you go to password and security. You get it. So I input the old password and I input the new password. So I also do the same here. So I'm just typing a random stuff here. You get so when you click on it, you can click here to change your password. So that is how to change the password on your WHM. So it's going to tell you password as normal. So let's generate. So let's copy this guy here. Paste this. Let's generate a password. Okay. Use password. So you can click here to save it. But I'm not going to click because I don't want to change the password. So when you click there, you've succeeded in changing the password of the WHM. I hope that's very clear. You can't change the password of the WHM on the WHM interface. You can only change it on the WHM cPanel interface. You get? So that is it for that. So this is my WHM account. You can see I have 200 gig. You understand? So I have a 200 gig for this WHM. So these are all the domains, other cPanel accounts I manage on this WHM. So let me take you around the WHM so you can see it. So once you log into your WHM, it gives you a list of accounts, create an account, and DNS zone, mail delivery reports. Okay, so let's check the mail delivery reports. I'm going to do you another video on how to, you know, how to create an account on your WHM. So, okay, let me just do it in this video. So, if you want to create account on WHM, you click on create a new account. So, you enter the domain name. Let's say we want to use this domain. You enter a username for that domain, and you enter a password and decide to use the same distance. So password is too short. So let's show Okay, so once you are done, you select the package you want. So I only have two packages here. So once I've selected one, you can actually, if you don't want to use this package, you can do manual portioning. Like what I mean manual portioning is you don't want to use this package, but you want to on your own share. Let's say I want this guy to be 5,000 or 50,000. I want the bandwidth to be 99999. I'm manually creating its own bandwidth. We have the MSC SMTP account. We have the max email account. So you can actually keep them unlimited. Then you have the max domain, maximum add-on domain. I leave it at two. We have a maximum passenger application. So all these you can actually fix it manually. But when I'm setting mine, the most important thing I consider is disk space, bandwidth, you know, add-on. I just leave these ones like that. So when I'm done, I'll click on save. I'll click on save. So that's it. But I'm not going to click it because I'm not creating. Although if I create, I can delete it. So okay, let's just create it. Let's just create it for the sake of video. So I'll just create it, then I'll delete it. Okay. So create. So it says, sorry, the password contains, okay, username. So when creating an account for your WHM, you can't use uh, the same, when you are generating your password should not be there. Like if I want to generate a password for this account, I should not go and take this username and generate a password because it's going to be flagged. It's going to be flagged. So let's just take something from here. Let's take something from here. For the sake of education, I'll soon delete it. So I have other packages as well. But let me use manual. Manual. I can make this guy let me make this guy 22 gig, and let me make this guy 123. So I can make this guy just one add-on domain. So I think I'm good to go, and let's create. So you can see it's creating the CPanel. I'm creating a CPanel inside my WHM. You get that? So let's from here now we can go to the CPanel. Okay, so this is the CPanel accounts. Okay, so you can see here is the domain, and here is the disk space I portioned. Remember, I portioned 20 gig, portion 20 gig. So that's it for that. Okay, like I said, I don't need it, so I will be deleting it. I will be deleting it. Okay, so let's go back and delete the account. So it goes to list accounts, then you just select all, then you search for it. So here's it. So you can just delete. You can just what? Delete the account. So let's terminate. What is written here is terminate. You can terminate the account because we don't need it. Okay. Yes, remove account. So if you have any questions, let me know. But before I call it a day, let me just take you around the WHM so you get familiar with the WHM. Here we have server configuration. Here we have a security center. Here we have a backup. Here we have a account files. Okay, I'll do another video on how to take you around all this. So let's call it a day. Thank you, and subscribe and share the video. Thank you.